Release me.
No, Cain, give it up. Mr. McGundry was very clear. I'm the Moon Man. Let's take off. I'm the Moon Man. The eagle has landed.
Control room to Seth.
Go ahead, control room.
3 minutes till showtime.
That's badass. Just enough time to contact Dad.
You mean the great Adam Mensch?
Yes,
Have you upgraded your communication device?
I have. Using the power of the sacred Ponamu, I will now be able to communicate with the great Adam Mensch via video link. Here goes.
Adam Mensch here. I can't come to the phone right now, but please leave a message, and when I'm finished slaying demons...
Well, I guess we'll try him again later.
Heads up, mate. McGundry's on the way.
What?
He wants to talk to you.
Talk to me? I wonder why.
I don't know, mate, but he's not happy.
But I didn't allow the demon to return. Some people are hard to please, I suppose. Oh, yes, Mr.
Mensch,
McGundry.
you're fired.
What?
Get out.
Why?
You violated the terms of your employment.
But I didn't allow the demon to return.
I'm talking about the other term. About staying away from my daughter.
Oh.
Sealer